a redstone display. So first, what you will need is iron blocks. You can only do this in mostly creative. If you want to do it in survival, you can use anything else than iron blocks. Then you will need redstone, right? Redstone, and redstone repeaters, and then you want to have dispensers and a button, guys. Sorry, a button. A button needed. A button needed. Any button you want, guys. Oh, I lost my dispenser. I'm so stupid. This dispenser. I'm in a hurry, guys, today. Just a little bit of hurry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want to have 9 out. Like this. It's like a cube, okay? It's like a square. Yeah, square. You want to have a square. Like this. Like this. Like this. You want to have a dispenser. Like this. Like this. This. And then you want to have redstone in the middle. Remember to crouch. Like this, and like this. Okay. Now you want to put redstone repeaters like this. One there. One there. One there. And then one there. And then you want to do this. Please, if I go too fast, just pause the video and copy me. Like this and like this. Like this. Like this. You should have this right now. But then you want to put redstone like this, 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 and this. Now you should have this. Now you want to put 2 redstone like this. Then redstone repeater like this. Redstone repeater like this. Redstone repeater like this. Redstone repeater like this. And then redstone everywhere like this. Redstone. You want to put them all in one tick. Okay, put all of them in one tick. You don't want to put these in the tick like this, and then power this up with a button like this. Destroy this and do this. Wait, I did it too slow. You have to do it fast, by the way. Like this. 3, 2, 1. Like this. Boom. First, you wanna clear your inventory. Then you want to get any type of fireworks, like any type you want, like any. I'm just doing my favorites right now. Fill them all up as how much you want them to be filled up with. I missed one spot, okay. Sorry guys, that was a mistake. Then you want to fill them up like this, like this, like this, like this, and you need one more. Right? Did I put one in? I need to put one in here. Okay. Okay, one in here. What? Oops. One in here. This. Okay, and then, oh yeah, by the way, that's my sister. Okay. And then you want to get redstone. quickly get redstone like this, and then you want to place redstone here, and boom, boom, you guys, boom. You have your own firework display. See you guys later. Please ring the bell. Subscribe this video.